Welcome to ExpressIRS Forms, one of the fastest, easiest IRS authorized e-filing programs for W-2s on the market. At ExpressIRS Forms, we offer a hassle-free e-filing solution for W-2 information returns. But here's a quick update. The Social Security Administration is changing the deadline this year for Form W-2. The SSA is now requiring all filers, paper and electronic alike, to submit their W-2s to the SSA by January 31st, the same day they're due for your employees. So make sure you're completely prepared to have your W-2 forms filed on time. ExpressIRS Forms can help guarantee your W-2 forms are in the hands of those who need them by the time they're required to have them. To register for ExpressIRS Forms, visit www.expressirsforms.com and click Register at the top right of your screen. Enter the necessary account information to create your account. After creating your account, you will then click on the appropriate button to start your W-2 forms. Selecting your payer or employer is the first step. If you already have employer details in your address book, you can autofill the required information by selecting the employer from your records here. Next, adding employee and form details can be processed in two ways, individually or by bulk upload. To add an employee individually, you must enter their name, social security number, and address. Entering these details will take you to the next step, adding their federal details. However, if you have multiple employees to file for, you can choose to bulk upload. Adding multiple employees requires you to download our Excel template by clicking the link here. Open the file to begin entering each employee's information such as name, social security number, and street address. After saving the employee details, you can upload the completed Excel template to our server, and ExpressIRS Forms will detect if any entries were skipped. If no errors were found, proceed to the employee page to begin entering each employee's federal details. You can only enter one employee's federal details at a time, so select one employee and click Next to enter their wages and taxes withheld. Following federal details, you'll need to enter each employee's state details. Select the state, enter the employer's state ID number, state wages and income tax, and other valued information, then proceed to summary of your completed form. Notice only one form is present for this employer. To add another employee's Form W-2, click Add Form for this payer. Click W-2 and then select the employee from the drop-down menu if you have employee records in the address book. Proceed to enter their federal and state details, and repeat this process until you have added all employees' W-2 forms for this employer. Click Continue to choose how you wish to file these forms. You can choose between federal e-filing only or package, which includes federal and state e-filing along with postal mail. After your selection, if you choose to electronically file W-2 with the state, ExpressIRS Forms will provide further instructions on the necessary state requirements. Now at this point, you're reaching the end of e-filing Form W-2. The final steps before transmitting to the IRS is reviewing your order details and cost of e-filing through ExpressIRS Forms. If everything looks good to you, proceed to enter your credit card details to process this fee with ExpressIRS Forms and continue to pay and transmit your W-2s to the IRS. Make sure you review the forms before transmitting. You can visit your dashboard for status updates on your forms at any time after transmitting. Here at ExpressIRS Forms, we're committed to helping you through every step of the e-filing process. If you have any questions about getting started or e-filing your W-2 returns, don't hesitate to contact our all-star customer support team. We're available by phone and live chat Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we offer 24/7 email assistance at support@expressirsforms.com.